So friends, our today's topic is how to invest in sovereign gold bond scheme of 2021, and we will also discuss about the SGB 2021 dates. So guys, before I start, this is Indrajit Mukherjee and I am the founder of stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit me on stockmaniacs.net and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button over here. So let us start the topic of sovereign gold bond. So first, a small preface. So I would like to give special thanks to LearnApp, as I have got few ready-made flyers in their group. A lot of you here wanted to know more about the sovereign gold bonds or SGB. So I hope this video will shed some light into SGB. The subscription for SGB phase 2 closed on May 28th and today is May 30th. The subscription for SGB phase 3 will start on May 31st. So that is from tomorrow. So if you have not yet invested in the SGB, you can start doing it from tomorrow. If you missed this time, don't worry, there are 4 more phases to go. So the next phase will start from tomorrow, as I have already told. And if you want to know more about the SGBs, then this video will guide you through it. So let me go to the next slide. Now, the major USPs or unique selling propositions of SGB. So why you should invest in SGB? Now, in sovereign gold bonds, you will get gold market returns. Suppose the gold market give you return of say 25%, you will get 25% return. Plus there is a fixed 2.5% per year return on your invested amount that is guaranteed by Government of India. And capital gains tax arising on redemption of SGB to an individual is exempted. It is 100% safe, it is held in demat form and it is efficient. So no making charges or management fees. And I would like to ask you to comment below this video, did you invest in the SGBs? If you have invested, so tell me why you have invested. If you have not invested, tell me why you have not invested. Now let me go to the next slide. So this is the ready-made flyers, 4 flyers I have got by LearnApp. So number 1, what are SGBs? So SGBs are government securities or gold bonds issued by RBI. They are debt securities that allow you to hold gold in certificate format. So this is just like purchasing gold, and there is an extra 2.5% returns per annum that is guaranteed by the Government of India. Now minimum investment here is 1 gram and maximum investment, that is for individuals and Hindu undivided families or HUFs, that is 4 kgs. And for trusts, universities, similar entities, the maximum investment is 20 kgs. And the lock-in period of 5 years with 2.5% guaranteed interest per year at the current market price of gold plus whatever return you will be getting from gold. So that is the major advantage. Now when can you buy SGBs? You can buy SGBs when RBI issues them. This year the subscription will be issued in 6 phases until September 3. So already 2 phases are over. May 17 to 21st, that was the first phase, it is over. And May 24 to 28th, that was the second phase, that is also over. So from tomorrow the third phase will start, May 31 to June 4. The fourth phase is from July 12 to 16th. And the fifth phase is August 9 to 13th. And the sixth phase, it is from August 30th till September 3. So you can buy SGBs till September 3. Now who should invest in SGBs? Investors looking to diversify their portfolio with low risk investments, or investors who do not want the hassle of holding physical gold, or investors who wish to use SGBs as loan collateral. So any investor who is looking for anything extra from the gold market who wants to diversify, they should immediately go for SGBs. Now, how to buy the sovereign gold bonds? Number one, you can buy the sovereign gold bonds in the primary market. So stockbrokers like Zerodha offers the facility to buy SGBs in their platform. If you do not have a Zerodha account, I will give you the account opening link at the video description, or you can visit this short link bit.ly bit.ly/join Zerodha, bit.ly/join Zerodha, and if you go to this link, you can open an account in Zerodha, and after that, once your account is opened, you can invest in sovereign gold bonds. Apart from Zerodha, few other brokers also offer you to buy sovereign gold bonds. So all the links will be given in the video description. Now, sovereign gold bonds are issued every year by the Government of India. The bond bears a fixed interest per annum, which is paid twice a year. I have already told about this. So you can read the features of the bonds in the NSE fact page. So you can visit the NSE fact page and you can read more about the SGBs. Now, how to buy the sovereign gold bonds? The issue is open for a specific period and you can place the order to buy units on Zerodha coin. So from when to when the particular phase is opened, so you can buy in Zerodha coin. The orders are placed on the offer close date till when you can modify or cancel your order. So if you place the order on the first date also, the order will be placed on the last date. So till then you can modify or cancel your order. The allotment will happen within 10 to 15 days, after which you will be able to view it under your holdings, and you can sell it from there also after the locking period. And you need to log in using your kite credentials and enter the quantity you wish to bid for. Now there is a specific page for sovereign gold bonds in Zerodha, and there is a invest now button available there. So I will be giving you the link of this page also in the video description. So from there you can go to this page, and if you click on the invest now button, you will be redirected to coin. So here this page you will be redirected, and you can see there, you can see sovereign gold bonds. You can actually put your quantity to invest and then you can place the order. And you can also buy sovereign gold bonds in the secondary market. SGBs are listed on the exchange 10 to 15 days after the issue and can be traded on Zerodha Kite. Do note that only orders with limit CNC orders are allowed due to illiquidity in this segment. So you can only put limit CNC orders. No other orders is applicable. Once you purchase SGBs from the secondary market, it will take T+2 days for the SGB to show up in your account as per the settlement cycle. And you can search for SGBs in Kite also. How you can search? So you can search for sovereign gold bonds on Kite by typing in SGB followed by the month and year of expiry and then the tranche. For instance, if you want to find the fourth tranche of an SGB expiring in October 2025, search for it by typing SGB OCT 25 IV in the universal search box as shown below. So just you can type SGB and you can see all the listed products over there, and you can put your SGB and then you can purchase or sell. Now guys, the question that I wanted to ask, please answer me in the video comments. Did you invest in SGBs? Have you invested in the phase 1 or 2? You please mention me in the comments if you have already invested in SGBs. Why you have invested, and if you have not invested, why you have not invested. Guys, so this is the end of the video. Please like and share this video with your friends or relatives. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do hit the subscribe button and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I wish you loads of luck in investing in SGBs, and till we meet in the next video, bye bye.